Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive the Tesla Cybertruck. Press the brake, shift into drive using the stalk or touchscreen, and release the parking brake. Check the dash camera and blind spot indicators before moving. Use gentle throttle to avoid wheel spin on first acceleration and practice regenerative braking settings to match your braking comfort. Stay aware of the vehicle's size and mirror angles while you learn. Start by getting familiar with the stalk, pedals, and large center screen layout. Toggle drive modes and steering feel from the drive menu to suit road conditions. Learn how autopilot engages and what visual cues it shows on the display. Practice lane changes manually first, then try assisted steering on quiet roads. Keep hands lightly on the wheel and watch for rapid alerts that require immediate input. When heading off-road, raise the suspension and verify tire pressure for rough conditions. Use low-speed torque combined with traction control for rocks or mud, and engage differential settings if available. Before towing, confirm hitch specs, secure chains, and test brake lights and signals. Practice reversing with a trailer in an open lot to build confidence. Always plan your route and avoid obstacles that exceed ground clearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.